Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Whenever you are watching any video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay here. Review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. So, reviews are available online. You can online to enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal and time payment policies. You can also view the link provided in the description. Channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video on our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Stay happy.